I want to share with you a super quick 10-minute core cultivation routine that you can do. I personally love to do this. I don't do the same one every time. I like to mix it up, but I do have a couple of preferences and things that I really like to do that help me to feel really strong in my core. And in a yoga practice, having a strong core is really important, especially for inversions, which is one of my favorite things to do. But just generally speaking, it helps you to be a more centered and grounded human and feel stronger within yourself, which is something that we should all be doing. So we're going to be doing 20 different exercises for 10 minutes, which is one exercise every 30 seconds. There'll be a little bell that you hear, and then we move on to the next one, and I'll explain it as we go. Let's do it. Begin with, we're going to start in our half boat, and then we'll lower to low boat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your lower back on the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the heart. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. We'll go for some Russian twists. Hands together. Keep lifting the heart open as you take the hands from one side to the other. Keep lifting the heart. Lifting the heart. Keep lifting the feet. Engage through the core. Maybe even activate through the hip flexors here. You should be able to feel it a little bit. And try to lengthen through the spine rather than curling through the back. Take the hands behind you. Extend the legs out. Lower back on the ground. Inhale, back up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Take it slow. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Elbows come behind you. Down the forearms. Keeping the lower back on the ground, engaging through the core, and moving your legs. I like this one because it reminds me of the I'm Your Venus ad campaign. I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire. 10, 9. Lower back, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming all the way down, hands behind the head, elbows out, opposite elbow to knee, and then back down. Half crunch, alternating elbow to knee. Nice and slow and controlled. So this isn't about ab blasting and sweating. This is about cultivation to the core, strengthening our inner systems. Tiny pulses of crunches. So not all the way down, just through that midsection. Elbows stay out. And then we'll take the hands to the ankles. Keep the chest lifted. Open up through the heart. Relax through the neck. Just tapping the heel of each foot. I feel a little bit like a penguin when I do this. And we're going to go for some leg levers. Hips lift, legs extend. Keep the lower back on the ground. Hips lift, extend, slow it down. Inhale. Exhale. Tap the feet down on the ground, keep the knees bent, keep the lower back on the floor. Should feel really deep sensation here in the pit of the belly. Whew. Both legs up towards the sky, drop one down, and then bring it back up. Nice and slow and controlled with the feet as you lower them down towards the earth. Elbows behind, hands behind the head, bend the knees, and then tiny pulses. Right knee to chest, left leg extends. Swap it over. Point the toes. Lower back stays firmly on the ground. And then for yoga bicycles, so nice and slow. Through center, swapping sides, opposite elbow to opposite knee. Back to center, extend the legs, back in. Extend the legs, back in. No hip rise this time. Out and in. Out and in. Rolling onto your front, going for a plank pose. If you like to extend even further, you can take the right toes up and down, left toes and down. This helps to stabilize through the core. Keep inflating through the upper back and rounding through the shoulder blades. Let's go side plank. Lifting one arm up towards the sky, maybe up and over, and keep lifting the hips up towards the sky. Now we're going to bring our top elbow to our top knee. And extend. In, out, in, out, in. Keep pushing the hips up towards the sky. Back through center and swapping sides. Side plank. Lift the hips up. And then we'll go top elbow to knee. Almost done. We got one more. For the last one, we'll start in down dog and then move through plank. Push back to down dog, come through plank, and then take your right hand to your left ankle. Back to plank, left hand, right ankle. Swapping sides. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one. Well done. And that is it. Now you engage through your core, which is the perfect thing to do if you ever want to do some heart openers, back bends, that sort of thing. It's really important that you engage through the core first so that you can protect your spine. And if you're as sweaty as I am, you're ready to go and jump in the ocean.